Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn about calculation groups in Power BI. So, what are calculation groups? Calculation groups are collection of items which are basically the same measures that you create in your report but are created in slightly a different way. So, this uh, calculated groups reduce number of measures and we can reuse this code many times. For example, if we have sales details and in sales detail table we have sales quantity, cost, revenue and many more columns, and for creating a calculation for MTD you need to add 4 to 5 measures. So this is, it takes more time. So to overcome this problem we can use calculation groups. In calculation groups you will only have to create one measure and you can simply apply it to all. So how we create these calculation groups in Power BI? So there is no option generally in this Power BI desktop. There is an option called external tools. So these calculation groups are created in tabular editor in external groups. So how to get, if you have not downloaded this tabular editor, you will not get this external tools option. To get this option, under help, just click on external tools. A new window will be opened here. Here scroll down and here we have an option called tabular model. Just click here and you can try tabular editor 3 for free. Just click that and select this tabular editor for free and just click on download, and it will take to you to another web GitHub website. Just go there and click and download and just run the application. So after running the application, just close this Power BI window, close this and reopen it and refresh. Then you will see an option called external tools. So first let us create some measures and see what is the difference between creating a calculate group and general way of creating and going through our general process. So I will create some measures. Right click, add new measure. I am creating measure for total sales equal to calculate, sorry, sum of sales details total sale price. Click enter. Our measure is created. Let us create MTD, QTD, YTD for this total sales. Sales MTD equal to, I have the formula. Sales MTD equal to, instead of quantity use total sales. So this is the formula for total MTD, sales MTD. Similarly, let me create sales QTD and sales YTD. Click enter. Our measure is created. Let me create new measure. Now sales QTD instead of title MTD QTD. So this is the formula. Click enter. Let me create another measure for sales YTD. Click enter. Okay. Now let us create another measure for quantity. Quantity equal to sum of sales details, quantity, close, enter. So this will be the base measure. Now let us create other measures. Quantity MTD, quantity QTD. Quantity. So this is the formula. I am copying this formula. Click enter. This is quantity MTD. Let me create another measure for quantity QTD and quantity YTD also. See how much time it is taking. Let me show you simple method by using calculation groups. Click enter. Now let us create another measure for quality YTD. So this is quantity MTD and just checking QTD, YTD, sales MTD, QTD, YTD. So we are creating these many measures. So it is time taking process. So let us see the simple way by using external tools. Go to external tools, click on tabular editor. Tabular editor will be opened. So you can see this window. So in this under tables we will have all the tables that are present in our model. Now right click, create new and click on calculation group. Here let me name this as calculation group, and under this create new, I will create new calculation item for MTD. So I will write the formula. So what is the formula for MTD? Total MTD from sales details, total sales price, sorry, total sales price, comma, from date, sales date call. So this is the formula. But if we write the same formula again, it will be the same process. So let me use the sales date dynamically. Instead of this sales details total sales price, I will use selected measure. Okay, that's it. Our, our measure is created. Now let us create another calculation item. New calculation item for QTD. Write the formula as total QTD selected measure, comma, from date, sales date. Close the bracket. Now add new calculation item. This will be YTD. Write the formula total YTD selected measure, comma, sales date. Close the bracket. So I have created the measures now, calculator group now, YTD, QTD, MTD. Now here an option for save the changes to the connected place, connected database. Just click this option. Okay. Now close this tab. Now one or more calculation needed to be manually refreshed. So okay, refresh now. So you can see our new calculation group is now created. So what I will do is I'll take a matrix visual. From date I will add year, quarter, month. Let me increase the size. To 20 and also row headers. Let me explain now. So we got the results correctly. Now instead of adding all these measures, simply we can add the calculation group. So first we have to add the base measure, that is total sales. Then you can add, see we got the results of MTD, QTD and YTD. For under values we have total sales. For example, we want for quantity remove total sales and add quantity under values. So now we can see we are getting the results. See here we are not getting correct values. Why? Because there is no relationship between this date table and sales detail table. So first let us create the relationship, which is the basic step I have forgot. Okay. So there is a relationship now created between date table and sales details table. Now see, we are getting the results correctly. This is for total sales. Now remove the total sales and instead of total sales add quantity. See, we are getting the results. For example, if you want for total discounted sales, simply add the measure discounted sales equal to sum of sales details discounted sales price. So click enter. Our new measure is created. Remove this quantity, simply add discounted sales. That's it, we are getting the result. So this is how you create the calculation groups in Power BI. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.